Hello my dear students, I hope you solve exercise 2.5. Now take out your books, page number 33, exercise 2.6. Today we will discuss exercise 2.6. Okay, so question number 1, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. A, see here commas are not given, they directly wrote a number. So you should put comma according to Indian place value system. From left to right, right to left, first 3 digit, then 2 digit. Okay. 48,580, 48,580 minus 0 is equal to what? This is the question. See, these are all based on properties and subtraction of 10, 100,000. Right? This exercise, it's very easy. See, we will see one by one. Now see, if we subtract 0 from a number, the answer will be, what will be the answer? Answer will be the number itself. Simple. I have 2 eraser. 2 eraser minus 0 eraser. What will be the answer? 2. 2 minus 0. 2. Likewise, the property of subtraction. If you remember, property of subtraction. If we subtract 0 from a number, the answer will be the number itself. So what will be the answer? Same answer. 48,580. How is it? Listen, let's see. Okay, C. I will solve that C. $58,600 minus 100. 58,600 minus 100. What will be the answer? As we know that I told you in previous video, if you want to subtract 10 from any number, so focus on tens place and subtract tens place number or decrease tens place number by 1. If you want to subtract 100 from a number, focus on 100 place. Whichever number is there, 100 place minus 1. If you want to subtract 1000 from a number, focus on 1000 place. Whichever 1000 place is there, subtract 1 from the number. Remaining will be as it is. Same here. See here. 100 ones, tens, 100. 6 is in 100 place. So 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1, 5. See, remaining as it is. So what will be the answer? It's very easy, oral. Right? 58,500 is the answer. Understand? It's very easy. Then I will solve E. 73,456. 73,456 minus 73,456. What will be the answer? You know very well. Understand? What will be the answer? Same. See the property of subtraction. If we subtract a number from itself, then the answer will be, or the difference will be 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 100 minus 100, 0. 2500 minus 2500, 0. Same here, 73,456 minus 73,456. 6 minus 6, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. The answer is 0. Means if we subtract number from itself, then we'll get the difference will be always become 0. Understand? I hope remaining B, D and F you will solve. Are you able to solve? Okay. So proceed towards our question number 2. Find the subtrahend in the following. Find the subtrahend in the following. In the following. See, A 34,567. 34,567 minus this subtrahend we have to find out equals, difference is 34,557. 34,557. Understand? If we wrote horizontally, vertically, see, ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. How we are doing subtraction? We are making columns, use scale or ruler for that. Write 34,567 minus these places are missing place. What is the answer? 34,557 is the answer. This is called minuend. Very good. This is called missing end, is called subtrahend. And whichever the answer will come, this answer we call it as a difference. Understand? Now what is given here? Minuend is given and difference is given. How to find out subtrahend? Simple. Minuend minus difference, you will get subtrahend. Understand? Minuend minus difference, you will get subtrahend. Got it? Now see, do it. Minuend minus subtrahend. Direct subtract this one from here, this one from here. 7 minus 7, 0. 6 minus 5, 1. 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. What is the answer? What is subtract? 10. Right now? Easier than this one. See, it's a oral. First I write here. This is 0, 0, 0, 10. It means see 7 minus 0, 7, 6 minus 1, 5, 5 minus nothing, 5, 4, 3. This is a method. But here you can solve orally. Focus on the digits. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now see 34,000. See the 1000 place, same 34,000, 34,000 here. Then 500. Here also 500, same. Here 6 tens. In tens place 6 is there. But here in tens place 5 is there. Means 6 minus 5, 1. And here 6. Here 7. Here 7. 0. So it is very easy. We can solve orally also. Focus on the places, place values, and subtract. Very simple. Understand? Okay. Let's check. I solve another one. Then remaining you will have to solve. Which one? Okay. D. 12,345. 12,345 minus what? Subtract, and the difference is 11,345. 11,345. Now we will solve this oral. Focus. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. Now, see, focus on 10,000 place. Here is a 1, here is also 1. 1000 place, here is a 2. And here is a 1 in difference. Means 2 minus 1. 1. Right? Here 100 place 3. Here 100 place 3. Here tens place 4. Here tens place 4. Here ones place 5. Here also ones place 5. Same numbers are there. Only the 1000 place is here 2 and here 1. Means 2000 minus 1000, that is 1000. So our answer is, our subtract is 1000. Understand? Or else, this is the easiest method. Or else you can write down columns in columns and solve. That is also by step. But here what you have to do? Median minus difference, then you will get subtract. What is median? 12,345 minus subtract, difference is 11,345. You will get subtract. 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 4 0, 3 minus 3 0, 2 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 0. Now what is the answer? subtract 1000. Understand? Likewise, you'll have to solve remaining 2. I hope you will solve. Then in next video we will see exercise 2.7. Word problems are there. How to solve word problem before this video I told you. So in next video again I will tell you how to solve word problems, how to write given, marks bifurcation. Okay, till then thank you.